So here I am backstage at Create and Craft, and I wanted to show you the new set for, oh well, I do want to Create and Craft, the new set for Create and Craft, because it's absolutely awesome. Well, I've been seeing everything that was done, but I haven't actually been in and had a look at it yet. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. I'm about to see it. Oh my gosh. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to have to keep quiet because...
So this is perfectly safe. It's not a golden gate, and so that's what's taking the time to get the skip out there too. Then we die cut all the pieces, and we get 6 of these. We just put, you get 10 bait in the kit, and you just put these back to the bottom there, so everything's going to be covered. Which I love. Up, and then you just go around it with your gum paper. Again, it's in your kit ready for you, and you've got your pieces ready made. So this is taking out the shape already for your kit, so there's no measuring out, cutting pieces of cardboard. It all fits perfectly together.
Yeah, because if you're going to try and do something like that for yourself, all those
my lollipop last year.
But no, we don't. We are very grateful.
And then what we do then is we wrap the fabric with
Dripping chocolate.
the seam's going to be at the back, it's going to be covered up on the side.
I always come in to have a quick feel. Fantastic. Oh, look. I need to see those sweets. Right, come on. Let's have a look.
And then on the corners, you can actually do...
So they've stuck. You're not going to see it is full too, because of course they're having to get rid of sugar. Look over there. They've stuck sweeties to the wall. And actual donuts as well. They've got the big cart. Oh, it's amazing, isn't it? I feel like a little girl in a sweet shop. I know. And you've got the lollipops. Can you see the lollipops and the candy cane? Oh my god, it's so good. This is the Create and Craft house. You might remember that from Christmas. They've changed it slightly. I'm hoping you're going to be able to hear me. And you've got the chocolate on the floor with the Smarties and the candy canes. Chocolate again. These are the amazing things that they've made to go wall and painted. And they've made all these gingerbreads. It's all been made. You've got the flumps. You've got the lollipops. These are my lollipops that I made last year. Look at that. Look at that sweets box. Absolutely full of sweets. Oh, I'm loving it. This would be set out another way, but of course we're in while they're filming and they're moving sets around, because that's what happens in television. So things like this is what gets set up before a show gets set up. Look at that candy cane tree, which just looks phenomenal. And then of course you've got the big lollipops. Look at these. Look at those big lollipops. That'd be amazing, wouldn't it? You've also got the boxes that have been wrapped up. These have been bought. They've wrapped these boxes up. You've got the fake grass. Look. Things and your flumps around the television. Your big lollipops again. Your flumps again. Massive candy canes. Big sweets. Mine. That's mine. Do you remember me making that for FranKie Jacks last year? And then the big tree. Love heart. Another one of my lollipops. And then the flumps around here. And the love hearts go as if they love that chocolate. Another one of my lollipops. I love these. This is what I love.
Yes,
that looks awesome. You see that?
So we're doing 6 of those. Exactly the same.
It's amazing, isn't it? just makes my, gives me goosebumps all over because I just think it looks so sensational. Everywhere looks absolutely fantastic. They've done such a good job. It's really exciting having a look at it all. Look, even the little bits, but oh, another one of my cupcakes. You see it? Another one of my cupcakes. And they've even got, look at this. This is a, look, how good is that for a stress ball? Look at that, wow. And then these lollipops as well. But most of this stuff they've made, which is incredible, and I've been watching them. Oh, they're lovely, aren't they? They're to put ice cream in, aren't they? Most of these they've made, but I am just love it. So I saw them make these. It is so clever, so clever. Just in awe of being studying. In fact, let's just taking it in. Look at the pictures that they've got, the backdrops. They've just got everything, haven't they? Just absolutely everything. Love it. What do you think? Do you like it? Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you press subscribe. So it's Hollie that sorts all this out with Corrine and Gemma. And then you've got Paul and Andy that make it all. And it's just out of this world here. There's a thing being put on that with all that writing all over it. And then they're giving away tickets as well, golden tickets that you can win with stuff. Just looks so good, doesn't it? I feel like I just want to stand next to this candy cane tree for the rest of my life. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm hoping that you've heard me all the way through this video, because obviously I've had to keep my voice very, very quiet because we're in a live TV studio. So we're loving it, loving it. It is just beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to take you over to that Golden Gates again and come back here. They're just getting ready. That's the cute. That's the crew.
Let's have a look at what else is busy on the show today on the website. It's your birthday bundle, your adhesive bundle there, and that is
this way.
305. There's an item number there.
The card looks
fantastic. You've got three very good.
Let's try and get these Golden Gates in as well as I can.
We also have the Mega Stud collection. Approximately 2,000 pieces there, 20 colours there, and yeah, you get your stud.
That's one of the monitors that we watch, but I think these just look better than any like film sets sometimes that you see. It just look, some of the guys have worked on film sets and have actually said our stuff is actually better quality than what theirs is, because obviously you can't see it up close and personal. Look at that flump. If anybody loves flumps, that is something that you would love to eat, isn't it? Anyway, I'll see you later. Thanks for looking around. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Love you lots. I'll see you tomorrow.